To clear cache on your iPhone, we got two methods. The first one, you can do this quickly by opening settings. And right now you will have to start scrolling for apps. And now let's say that you want to clear cache for your Safari browser, then just search for it. And when you're here, you will have to search for clear history and website data. So we have to just keep scrolling until we find this one. It's available here, and you have to select clear history and website data. In my case, there's actually no any history and website data, but if you have one, then you will be able to do this. But also you can do this in the second way to clear cache for other apps. So you have to also start from opening settings and search for general. When you are here, you will have to go into iPhone storage. Now just wait for this one. And we have to find the application that we want to clear cache for. So let's do this, for example, for WhatsApp, and select offload application. So it will free up storage used by this application by keep its documents and data. So click to offload app, and as you can see right now it is finished. If you want to get it back, just click reinstall application.